We are living in a time of deep uncertainty. The world feels like it's unraveling. But what if this unraveling isn't the end?
First and foremost, you are not a victim and no one is coming to save you.
Right now on this planet, we're seeing a lot of suffering.
We have to reclaim those parts of ourselves that might be angry.
Each one of us actually fully looking at the depths and darkness of who we are.
The feminine, it's needed.
It's the inner sovereignty, inner peace.
It's a sense of intuition.
Just by moving a little bit towards healing in your little space, ripples out. The field begins to collapse all other potential, and that potential of healing is what we become aligned with. The quantum field is pure potential.
I embody the sacred feminine in balance with the sacred masculine. And I embody love that is not just for me, but is meant to be a vessel of transformation and healing for the world.